thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is on a half up, half down hairdo. It's a very natural look, as you can see, and this is using some virgin hair bundles that I did receive from Lakihair. So if you want to know more about this hair and how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I got this look. It's very easy. It's a style that you can really achieve in probably an hour or so. I've really been loving these really quick looks because I like to change my hair a lot, but I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. And this style is very easy to do. I am natural, so if you're a natural, I will give you some tips on how you can get your baby hair super laid and how you can achieve this look. So definitely keep on watching.
All right, you guys, so I'm going to do a quick voiceover for this part. So the first thing you're going to do is split your hair in half. You can just use a rat tail comb for that. You're going to go ahead and put rubber bands around the top just to hold that part away. And then you're going to braid the back in large braids. Or if you want them small, that's fine. But I was just exhausted. I didn't feel like doing tiny braids. So I just did 4 big cornrows in the back. So then I went ahead and put my 30-second Salon Pro Anti-Itch Serum. This serum is amazing. It's made with like botanicals and like green tea extract. It feels so awesome, you guys. And it's not an oil-based serum. So it's really great for protective styling just to hydrate your scalp. Then I just went ahead and did a normal sewing, you guys. It's nothing special here. Just sewing tracks onto my braids. Nothing major. I did want to mention that I'll leave links to all the products that I'm using in the information bar down below in case you want to pick anything up. And I also wanted to mention that I'm flipping over my tracks. I did not cut these wefts at all because I definitely will be using them again. So that's why I decided to do a sew-in. Even though it takes a little bit more time, I just definitely didn't want to cut my wefts this time. So I went ahead and just put all the extensions into a ponytail and started working on the front. I just added good old-fashioned water, nothing special in the spray bottle. And then I took my bristle brush and just started detangling that section and smoothing it out. I did go ahead and add my Murray's beeswax, and I added that to the entire front section of my hairline. And not even just my hairline, like I just added it all throughout my hair. And once my hair was fully detangled, I went ahead and blew it out. The Murray's beeswax, after you blow it out, it like creates a really nice coating, and then it interacts with like the edge control, so it gives extra hold to the edge control, and it just keeps your hair really, really sleek. So I like the combination of the Murray's beeswax, blow drying it, and then going ahead and adding the edge control. My favorite edge control is Ebin 24-hour edge control, so that's what I'm using in the clip. So I use my rat tail comb to go ahead and smooth all that edge control out and blend it all throughout the front hairline and on the sides of my hair. This portion I'm doing at a slow, not a slow speed, at normal speed, because I always get a lot of questions about my baby hairs. I am 100% natural. I do not have a single chemical in my hair, but I am able to get my baby hairs extremely laid. I always get questions about this, and the only thing that I can say is my hairline is very, very trained to be laid down, because every style I do, I lay down my baby hairs. So first off, they're very trained. Second off, I try to use multiple products to create the look that I'm going for. Like today, I used the Murray's beeswax as well as the edge control. Normally I'll use edge control along with some sort of a gel. Usually it's the got to be glued. So edge control by itself for me has never worked to keep my edges laid down. But when I combine it with a reliable product and put those two products together, I get the best results that last all day long. I also wanted to point out that you can see when I'm pulling my hair up, my edges are still not moving because they're already basically laid in place. So don't worry about laying your edges first and thinking your ponytail holder is going to make them move. It won't, as long as you take the right steps. Then I just went ahead and braided my own hair down. If your hair is not long enough, you can add an extension or just some, braiding hair to it to give it a little bit more length and thickness. I went ahead and added a rubber band around it just so that the braid would stay together.
Laid, baby.
Then I went ahead and did my invisible ponytail. I just stuck a bobby pin through the end of the extension and stuck the extension hair through my braid. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on this, I do have one, and I'll leave it in the link above. As well as down below to show you the invisible ponytail technique. This I'm just going to speed through because I don't want this video to be too long. So I did go ahead and add a scarf to my hair, but not for the reason you think, not to hold down my edges. It's actually to protect my edges from everything that I'm doing with the extensions, combing it out and adding water to it and all that. My edges lay without adding, a scarf around it, but I just didn't want them to be disturbed by everything I was doing with the extensions. So I just added water and I plucked the extensions out with a wide tooth comb. I made sure to be gentle so that I didn't, damage the hair by combing it through. Also, after, I didn't show it, but I used a leave-in conditioner to help to define my curls again. But I did want to comb them out because I did want that afro textured look, but I did want my curls a little bit more defined after I combed them out, so I did use a leave-in conditioner. I just went ahead and grabbed a pack of braiding hair, braided it down in one braid, added a rubber band to the end of it, and then just bobby pinned that around my ponytail. I thought it just gave a really nice look. Later, I did add a little bit of braid jewelry for an accent, and then I just bobby pinned that down. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I really love the way this style came out. It just looks so beautiful, even without any makeup on. It's just a very natural, pretty look.
Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hopefully it was simple and easy for you guys to follow. If you have questions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And I don't know what else to say. This hair is lit. I really love it, and I think it's bomb for any natural girl out there who just wants a protective style for their hair. It is the winter time and you want to keep your hair moisturized and basically put away for a little while so you don't have to deal with any breakage or damage. And I feel like this is a great look. I'm really impressed with these bundles. I'm really shocked at how much it does mimic our hair. Like, I just think it's bomb. So yeah, if you have questions about Lakihair or you want to order this hair, I will leave a link in the information bar down below so you can go ahead and check them out at their website. I'll also see if I can get a coupon code for you guys so you can save some money if you do want to order. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. We're almost to 20,000 subscribers, you guys. I can't believe we're almost there. So please help me out, share this video, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the slow-mos because you already know they are so lit.